Every year, millions of drivers open their car insurance bill and ask the same question. Why is this so expensive? You didn't crash, your car didn't change, nothing about your driving got worse, yet your insurance went up. Some people now pay thousands of dollars a year just for permission to drive, and most drivers have absolutely no idea what they're really paying for. In this video, we're breaking down the real reasons car insurance is so expensive and why prices keep rising even when nothing seems to go wrong. Most people think car insurance works like this. You pay every month, and if you crash, the insurance company fixes your car. But that's not how it actually works. Car insurance is a shared risk system. Your money goes into a giant pool that pays for everyone's accidents, not just yours. That includes damaged cars, medical bills, lawsuits, stolen vehicles, and disaster losses. So even if you're a perfect driver, you're still paying for the risk created by millions of other drivers on the road. Cars today are far more expensive to repair than they used to be. Modern vehicles are packed with technology, sensors, cameras, computers, and advanced safety systems. A small accident that once cost a few $100s can now cost thousands. Something as simple as a cracked bumper may require sensor calibration and computer diagnostics. Even headlights can cost more than an entire repair job from years ago. As repair costs go up, insurance companies raise premiums to cover those costs. Car insurance doesn't just pay for cars, it pays for people. After an accident, insurance often covers emergency room visits, surgeries, physical therapy, and long-term medical treatment. In the United States, medical care is extremely expensive. One serious injury can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Those medical risks are built into every insurance policy, even if you never get hurt. Many car accidents don't end at the repair shop, they end in court. Insurance companies regularly pay for legal defense, settlements, and court judgments. In some states, lawsuit payouts are extremely high. Once courts award larger settlements, insurers increase premiums to protect themselves from future losses. More lawsuits mean higher insurance costs for everyone. Your insurance price is not random. Companies analyze massive amounts of data, including your age, driving history, location, and even your credit score in many states. Where you live matters. If your area has more accidents, theft, or claims, your insurance will cost more even if you personally drive safely. Insurance companies price risk, not fairness. Insurance fraud is a hidden but massive problem. This includes fake injury claims, staged accidents, and inflated repair bills. Fraud costs insurance companies billions of dollars every year. Those losses don't disappear, they're passed directly to customers through higher premiums. Honest drivers end up paying for dishonest ones. Floods, hurricanes, wildfires, and hailstorms destroy thousands of vehicles every year. When disasters strike, insurance companies pay out massive claims all at once. To recover those losses, premiums increase nationwide. Even drivers who live far from disaster zones feel the impact. This is what frustrates drivers the most. Your insurance can increase even if you never file a claim. That's because repair costs, medical expenses, labor prices, and inflation all affect the system. Insurance reacts to rising costs everywhere, not just your personal history. When the system becomes more expensive, everyone pays more. Insurance companies are businesses, but they are also regulated. They can't charge anything they want. What truly makes car insurance expensive is the system behind it. Expensive cars, expensive healthcare, legal costs, fraud, and shared risk. Insurance reflects the real cost of driving in the modern world. Car insurance feels expensive because it is. Not because you're being scammed, but because driving today comes with massive hidden costs. You're not just paying for your car, you're paying for accidents, injuries, lawsuits, disasters, and risk across the entire system. And as long as those costs keep rising, car insurance will too.